billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Dear students, assalamu alaikum to all of you. Today my topic is Indian National Congress. The name of the chapter is The Making of the National Movement 1870 to 1947. Class 8th subject History. Dear students, in 1885 AD, Indian National Congress was formed by some enlightened Indians. Indian Congress adopted moderate policies in its early years, like spread of education, उसके बाद इंडस्ट्रियल डेवलपमेंट डिप्ट वेवर ऑफ farmers, etc. The moderate leaders adopted certain measures. Moderate leaders, जैसा कि प्यारे बच्चों, मॉडरेटर्स जो थे अर्लियर लीडर्स ऑफ कांग्रेस वर नोन एज मॉडरेटर्स who believed in giving petitions to British for their demands. जैसा कि प्यारे बच्चों, मॉडरेट लीडर जो थे, पहला लीडर जैसा कि प्यारे बच्चों दादा भाई नरोजी, फेरोज शाह मेहता, सुरेंद्रनाथ बैनर्जी, गोपाल कृष्ण गोखले एंड मदन मोहन मौलविया were some moderate leaders. Moderate leaders adopted certain measures to show that how the British rule was destroying the country. Destroying the country. उसके बाद प्यारे बच्चों, जैसा कि प्यारे बच्चों, a retired British official जैसा कि A.O. Hume, Alan Octavian Hume, Hume helped in founding Indian National Congress helped in founding Indian National Congress. जैसा कि प्यारे बच्चों, the Indian National Congress conducted its first session in Bombay from 28 to 31st December 1885 AD at the initiative of retired civil service officer. जैसा कि प्यारे बच्चों, वो कौन था? एलन ऑक्टेवियन ह्यूम. The initiative of retired civil service officer Alan Octavian Hume यानी A.O. Hume in 1883 में क्या हुआ था? Hume had outlined his idea for a body representing Indian interests in an open letter to graduates of the University of Calcutta. उसके बाद प्यारे बच्चों, जैसा कि the first session of Indian National Congress was held from 28 to 31st December 1885 AD under the presidentship of Ramesh Chandra Banerjee. Bomesh Chandra Banerjee First President of Indian National Congress. First President of Indian National Congress. फर्स्ट प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस यानी भूमेश चंद्र बैनर्जी। उसके बाद प्यारे बच्चों 72 रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स यानी 72 representatives took part in it. 72 representatives यानी 72 delegates. The Indian National Congress was established when 72 delegates from all over the country met at Bombay in December 1885. In December 1885, the early leadership Dadabhai Naroji, Feroz Shah Mehta, earliest leaders of Indian National Congress, Dadabhai Naroji, Feroz Shah Mehta, बदरुद्दीन तैयब जी। उसके बाद प्यारे बच्चों WC टेनर जी। उसके बाद प्यारे बच्चों सुरेंद्रनाथ बैनर्जी रोमेश चंद्र दत्त एस सुब्रमण्य अय्यर among others was largely from Bombay and Calcutta. Naroji, a businessman and publicist. Businessman and publicist. Naroji, a businessman and publicist यानी publicist जैसा कि प्यारे बच्चों who publicizes an idea by circulating information, writing reports, speaking at meetings, means publicist. Settled in London and for a time member of the British Parliament, guided the young nationalists जैसे कि प्यारे बच्चों a retired British official, मैंने पहले भी बोला a retired British official A.O. Hume, retired British official A.O. Hume, जैसा कि प्यारे बच्चों एलन ऑक्टेवियन ह्यूम जिसकी ये फुल फॉर्म है। ए मीन्स एलन, ओ मीन्स ऑक्टेवियन ह्यूम, also played a part in bringing Indians from the various regions together. तो प्यारे बच्चों, इसके आगे हम कल पढ़ेंगे। अल्लाह हाफिज़।